Hey, Aphrodite painting. Man, I apologize. I didn't get your name, so I'm not sure who to address this to. But anyways, thank you for the opportunity to let me do this quick little video for you, just to show you a little bit about what I do and how to rank your business on Google once you get that website up. Um, so just to start off, when anybody searches in Google, different keywords like, oh, I need a painter in St. George, Utah, or painters near me. This is what's going to pop up. Normally there's ads at the top here. Um, ads are, ads are an awesome thing. They're hit or miss sometimes. Um, they can get you quite a bit of business, but some people have ad blockers on, so you're also missing out on potential business as well. Um, then you come down farther, and this is called your Google Map Pack. And then down here, this is where the organic listings start. So I just wanted to start with, or just show you guys a little bit today about content, backlinks, and citations. So there's a lot to do with marketing, but these are kind of the three big ones. So to get listed in the top of Google's organic listings on, obviously you want to be on page one to get the most traffic. This is where you need content and backlinks. So to be an authority, Google looks at your homepage content and looks for 1,500 words of content to be that authority. So I grabbed, these guys have the top spot right now, Accent Painting. When you look up Painters St. George, um, so this is their website. I grabbed their homepage content, and they only have 221 words. So definitely beatable. Obviously, if you get even close to 1,000, you're going to have more content than this website. Um, the next thing is backlinks of your website. So these guys, same website, Accent Painting. Um, Sorry, this is called Ahrefs. It's a paid service that we use. It shows keywords, domains, backlinks, traffic, just a bunch of information on each website. But these guys, so backlinks are just any other domain referencing back to a certain business, to your business. So these guys have 161 other websites referencing back to them, to Accent Painting, 686 times. Not all backlinks are created equal. Maybe in this 161 they have like Pizza Hut referencing back to them, which Pizza Hut doesn't hold as much power as, say, another contractor or another painter or even another home builder, because those are all kind of in the same niche, if you will. So again, just back to here. Back to here. So organic listings, you're looking for backlinks and content to take this top spot. And with that content, it just gives you more opportunity to get more keywords and key phrases that people are searching for a painter in St. George or Washington or surrounding areas. So let's go back to here. So then you got the Google Map Pack. So to get in here, Google's looking for citations, which citations is just your business name, address, and phone number listed across the internet. So it's how many times you're in different directories like Yelp, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Google, obviously, Facebook, Yahoo. There's hundreds of different internet services or internet directories, like, local Southern Utah, local Utah, just as many times as you can get in those directories, because the more numbers you have there, and I think these are reviews. The more you have of all those, the easier it's going to be to take this top spot. You can even see these guys have been in business 50 plus years. I don't know if that's how long they've had a website, but they're still only at number 3 in here. These guys have been in 5 plus years in business. They're number 2. And these guys, it doesn't even say how long they've been in business. So, these guys just must have the most citations to take this top spot, because they don't even have the most reviews, if you can see that. So it's all about how far across the internet you're spread, because Google's just constantly crawling to see who's got the most content, who's got the most backlinks, who's got the most citations. Like who should I put in these top spots? Um, and the more you do that, the more you have, you're gonna see Aphrodite painting right there, and then you're gonna come down and you're gonna see it right here. And so when people are looking for that, that's going to be the first business that they see. And, you're going to get all that search volume, and you're going to get all those clicks. Anyways, I don't want to keep blabbering on and take up too much of your guys' time, but so these 3 things, your content, backlinks, and citations are definitely things that you guys can do on your own for your website, and get it out there. It's like, it's frustrating, it's time consuming, but it's definitely doable. um, or you guys can we can chat further and discuss working together and what you guys want to see your website look like, or what you want your business to do in the next year or two in the future. But anyways, thank you again for this opportunity, and hope you got some information out of it, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.